This your forecast.
Specialty forecast.
If you don't know about the 525 rule, it's the one that promulgates a rookie wide receiver who doesn't get 525 yards is a bum.
Trash.
I'm not saying necessarily I don't agree with it, but I'm just saying I want to look into it a little bit. The data we're using is all wide receivers drafted between 2006 and 2019. All 392 of them. Here's a histogram of the data, which shows a skewed distribution, right-tailed. Most rookies do not get a lot of yards. The mean is only 246. The median is less, 110, which means half of rookies do not even get that much. And here is the magic number 525, which is the 80th percentile. So it's a threshold that only 20% of receivers meet. The next one is a sort of scatter plot of the number of top 12 finishes in the following 3 years. And that's still based on rookie receiving yards. This one is Michael Thomas. Here's Brandon Marshall. And this little guy right here, Antonio Brown. Again, this is all receivers drafted between 2006 and 2019. You can see a lot more top finishes on this side of the magic line. 30 compared to 9. Yet the rule states everybody over here is trash. I think Steve Smith Sr. and Demaryius Thomas would disagree.
Trash.
It's important to keep in mind all these ones, because remember, 80% of receivers are below the magic threshold. In terms of percentages, 39% is a lot bigger than 3%. Honestly, your best bet is to find a rookie who gets exactly 525 yards, like Chris Godwin, because then it's 100%, 1 of 1. And that is the water that fills the bathtub of my argument, that receiving yards is a continuous variable, meaning it's on a spectrum. Therefore, the probabilities are also on a spectrum. A computer program can help us with this in finding a line of best fit. This is a logistic regression model which averages the number of wide receiver 1 finishes in the next 3 seasons based on rookie receiving yards. And just for reference, Brian Thomas Jr. right here would be estimated to have about 2 top 12 finishes in the next 3 years. Here is the formula.
Trash.
I don't really know how to simplify that, so looking at the data a little bit differently. This one doesn't show a count of top 12 seasons, rather it's in binary terms, true or false, yes or no. Does the receiver have a top 12 finish or not? Which is more in line with how logistic regression is supposed to be done, which the point is to estimate a probability. And here's that equation. On the video, by applying this model to last year's rookies, give you something practical to look at. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other channel, FF Forecast, where we like to have a little bit more fun. And if you like the process, try our trade calculator at fantasyforecast.com, where the values are calculated the same way, correlating past performances with future performance. Brought to you by Fantasy Forecast.